Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first you would have seen Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. Then we had our very special guest this week, Angela Bliss. Check her out. There'll be a link in the description. You'll be able to go to her channel, show her some love. She's absolutely awesome. So thank you so much for being with us today, Ange. We really appreciate it. After me, we have Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, and last but not least, we've got Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So stick around and enjoy the ride. What I've decided to do this week was, I did a video, when was it? October last year, I think, on customizing your CELL activator with chameleons and interference colours and all sorts of things like that to make them real trippy and blingy. So I won't go into that today. It's number 309 is the video. There'll be a link in the description for it. Check it out. It shows you exactly how I make the CELL activator to do these two pieces I'm going to do for you today. Alright, so here we go.
Trying to find my way out, trying to find my way out. My heart, it wanders through the night, searching for the starlight, searching for the starlight. Ooh. Night falls, the darkness begins, creeping through the shadows within. Got nowhere to run or hide. It's in my blood, it's in my blood. I keep on fighting.
Gonna
Alright guys, I'll do a quick flyover of that one, where you have a close-up look at it. The lacing is absolutely nuts on that. Love it. So yeah, you can have a whole heap of fun with just basic cell activator, to be honest. Alright, so up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So click on her name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there. Or if you're a member of Paint Boring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list that I put in there each and every week. That plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another. If you've liked this, hit like, share, and subscribe. Bring that notification bell. Ding, ding. That way you get to see all this crazy stuff as I release it. Once again, thank you, Angela. It's been an absolute pleasure having you on the Fluid Art Express this week. So, thank you so much for joining us. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.